Welcome, people. It's the Learning Academy. Let's talk about some news that are happening within the crypto space. Ripple, the CEO, just announced, as you can see from the screen, that he's pleased to share that Moneygram has actually partnered with Ripple to use RSP in their payment flows. Great news. And let's see what becomes of this platform in the upcoming days. And moving on, we have electroneum. Electroneum has actually brought on board the CEO of Titanium. If you've not seen Titanium ICO, then ICO you want to really check. So they brought on board the CEO of Titanium to become a technical advisor. So guys, if you've not seen Titanium, you know in my channel I don't give recommendations. I don't tell you this is good, this is no. I only review platforms so that you can see. But guys, keep your eye on Titanium. If you've gone through my videos, you've seen some of the projects I've been able to push to you. You know that I know what I'm telling you. So keep your eye on this project. This is not a financial advice, guys. Do your own research and do have a very, very good day. A big shout to you guys that are following me on Twitter, on Facebook. You're all welcome, guys. I'll be updating you. I'll be putting more effort to update you with the latest news that are going on in the latest ICUs, in the latest project you should really get into. So guys, I really appreciate for the support and the subscribers. Do have a very good day, guys.